Hello class 10, this is Mrs. Sonia Singh, and today's aim of our physics practical is to determine the focal length of concave mirror and convex lens by obtaining the image of a distant object. So the materials required for this are a concave mirror, convex lens, a mirror holder, a small screen fixed on a stand, a measuring scale, and a distant object, for example a tree or anything outside. So we'll be starting with the mirrors first. The spherical mirror with inward curved reflecting surface is called a concave mirror. A beam of light generally converges after reflection from its surface. Hence, it is also called as the convergent mirror. So the diagram related to the concave mirror is as such. You can see the focus and the center of curvature, which is double the focus, the mirror, and the pole where it has been labeled. So this is the principal axis where we'll be keeping the screen. So here we have taken the distant object as the window, the view around outside the window, that will be our distant object, because and this is the mirror there. This is the concave mirror which is on the mirror holder, as we've discussed in the material required. This we have taken the screen on a mirror holder. We have made a screen of white page. Okay, we'll keep this mirror in front of the window and the screen right in between the window and the mirror. We'll focus in such a way that the image will be formed on the screen. So we'll adjust the object there. As we saw, a clearer image was formed, so that will be the focus of this concave mirror. The concave mirror was placed on 21 centimeter of the meter scale, as you can see here, and the screen is there on the 0.5 centimeter of this meter scale. So we can calculate the focal length now, as the position of the mirror was 21 centimeter, position of screen as 5.5 centimeter. So the focal length is 21 minus 5.5, that is 15.5, and it is in negative. Now next we'll be talking about convex lens. This is the theory of the convex lens, and the distance between the optical center O and the point where image is formed, that is called the focal length of the lens. So all the objects will be keeping in the distant. So this is the mirror holder where we have kept the lens, and that is the screen as usual, and the object is behind the lens on the other side, and we are focusing it on the screen. We will adjust the position of the screen in front of the lens, and lens is in between the object and distant object and the screen. So we'll obtain the image whenever sharp image is formed there. You can see the lens is placed at 0 centimeter of the scale, and the screen where sharp image of the object has been formed, that is at 10 centimeter on the scale. So the screen the position of the screen is at the 10 centimeter, and we know that the focus, the image of the distant object is always formed at the focus. So the clearer image is here at the 10 centimeter. So the focal length of this convex lens is 10 centimeter. So how we are going to calculate is the position of lens 0, position of screen 10 centimeter. So focal length will be positive 10 centimeter. Always remember that the focal length of concave mirror will be negative and that of the convex lens as positive. So this is all in this practical. Thank you so much.